to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call my soul to loudest praise. Teach me now a melodious sonnet sung by flaming tongues above. Praise them that my heart is fixed there, mounts of God's unchanging.